Suspiciously missing from the Super Motocross World Championship Media Day at Angel Stadium was the big offseason signing for Kawasaki, and that is Jorge Prado. Now, if you've been paying attention to Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, the rumor mills were all over the place, from broken arms, broken hands, broken shoulders. I've seen a bunch of things, head injuries. And, well, apparently it's not that bad. RacerX confirmed that the Monster Energy Kawasaki's Jorge Prado went down hard while testing last week. He hit his head, but did not break any bones or sustain any injuries. Prado took a few days off from riding and missed the media day. However, he has already begun resumed cycling. His team aims to have him at 100% for Anaheim 1 next month, so he took it easy and is expected to return to motorcycle training soon. That's good news. Obviously, you never want to see anybody get injured, especially training off season. You don't want to see him get race injuries either, but when it's not even for anything, if it's just training, it's the worst kind of injury because it's putting in work that ends up losing all of your progress. And he did have a quote saying, "I had a crash last week and hit my head and my arm." That was it. Super big update from him. Lots of words, but I mean, it's good, especially if he's going to be healthy, hopefully, for A1, because he is the big name signing. Obviously, last year he came over and did a few rounds and looked pretty good. And from everything you've seen, or everything I've seen from this offseason of him riding, he looks fast and comfortable on that Kawasaki. And well, we need some people. It's going to be the question of how competitive is he going to be? Obviously, this is going to be his first full year doing Supercross on a new bike, on a new team, in a new country for the whole time. And hopefully he's going to be fast and competitive. I would like to see him running out front, top fives, podiums, battling for wins, championship contender. That would be the absolute dream. Is that going to happen? Who knows? I guess it all kind of depends on where he actually does fall in these things. Without seeing Cirillo, there you've got Anderson and him now, and Anderson is aging, so you would assume that Prado is going to be the number one. I don't know how you really want to put that. So it's good that if this was a crash, if it's completely truthful as they're saying, if he just, did have a hard crash but isn't actually injured, it's just sore or maybe some minor stuff that you can work through or ride through, that he's going to be racing in A1. You never want to see him come over, sign a big contract, be super hyped, get injured, and then miss the beginning of the season because, well, at that point, he's completely out of the championship race. If you miss 2 or 3 rounds, you're gone. I mean, it's still going to be good if he comes back and is competitive and a part of the series, but you want him to be there the whole time, as much time on the bike as possible, as much racing against these guys as possible, and I hope he does well. I would like to see a series where Prado and Lawrence and Webb and Roxon and whoever else all, out front racing against each other for wins every single week, not with one person just dominating everything. But that's why I leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for A1? Who do you think is going to win? How well do you think Prado is going to do this year? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.